Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Mind, Myth, Momentous, that is M3. In today's episode of the series Mental Health Matters, we will try to understand what is mental health. Mental health is not a destination but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you are going. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health, defined by the World Health Organization, is a state of well being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. The three core components of this definition are well being, effective functioning of an individual, and effective functioning for a community. According to the WHO, mental health includes subjective well being, perceived self efficacy, autonomy, competence, intergenerational dependence, and self actualization of one's intellectual and emotional potential, among others. From the perspective of positive psychology, mental health may include an individual's ability to enjoy life and to create balance between life activities and efforts to achieve psychological resilience. Cultural differences, subjective assessments, and competing professional theories all affect how one defines mental health. Very often, mental health is regarded as the absence of mental illness. However, designating mental health as the mere absence of mental illnesses or mental disorders is vague. Mental health is all about the enhancement of your emotional, cognitive, and psychological functions, translating into an increased level of your competency and determination towards your predetermined goals and objectives. Mental health problems not just affect the individual who is the sufferer, rather, they affect the society and ultimately the mass of people who are the part of these societies. This is justified in the definition of health by the World Health Organization, which defines health as the state of physical, mental, and social well being and not merely the absence of disease. Mental health is directly proportional to happiness. Happiness is directly proportional to satisfaction. Satisfaction is directly proportional to your confidence, and confidence is directly proportional to your success. That means to succeed in any of your aimed thoughts and action, along with physical health, one has to be mentally strong and healthy. That is, mentally fit and fine altogether. Thus, mental health is fundamental to our collective and individual ability as humans to think, emote, interact with each other, earn a living, and enjoy life. Mental health is more than the absence of mental disorders. It is an integral part of health. Indeed, there is no health without mental health. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we will try to understand importance of mental health. Please like, comment, share, subscribe the channel M3. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye.